Let go. She wants it.
Oh.
Whoa.
Allison, can you hold him?
Oh, okay.
Jesus.
Who's that out there? Is that Dad?
Chris. Oh. Could be Dad, actually.
What did he do?
You made a funny face. Is that yucky?
We're abusing him.
It's baby food. Oh, Jesse, do the thing with the whale.
He's eating.
Mom, too.
Avery. He was cracking up at this.
He's like, whoa. Daddy.
Oh, stinky girl. Aww.
He's like, ooh, pretty doggy.
It's freezing in here.
I'm warm.
I told you.
What?
It's cold.
Is it?
Yes, it is. It's pretty tart.
What is it?
I don't know.
You don't know? Looks like prunes.
Brown.
Not prunes.
No, it's not fun. It's, I think it's, well, it's definitely oatmeal, pears, or something.